Hallo und guten Tag.
Hello and welcome to Vineo. My name is Bernhard Greving and I would like to give you some information today about the best way to clean our Pureline organic flooring for a residential home. Pureline organic flooring is made of renewable raw materials, 80% of which is rapeseed or castor oil. It has a very closed surface and is very hard wearing. Pureline organic flooring has a closed surface, so dirt can't become permanently ingrained and can't therefore be easily removed. That's what I'd like to show you today. We need these mop covers or dust mops for this. Every household generally has these mop covers. Most of us use fringe mop covers, that is cotton covers with a loop surface. The loop surface gives you good water absorption, but relatively low cleaning power because the loops don't get deep into the structure of the flooring. If, for example, our Pureline organic flooring has an imitation wooden surface, it has a high or low structure, textured surface. The dirt becomes a bit more ingrained in the grooves and we can't get it off with the loops. That's not ideal. It's better to use a microfiber mop cover which gets the dirt out of the surface perfectly. It doesn't have fringes, but a vellus surface which can penetrate deeper into the structure. Most of the dirt is loose, superficial dirt. More than 90% is loose dust or dirt particles that can't be easily removed. Everything lying loosely on top can be cleaned off with a damp cleaning system. You'll be familiar with Swiffer systems, for example, or similar commercial systems. We can simply use our household mop covers, take our cleaning solution in a spray bottle and mist the surface of the mop cover. This ensures the dirt sticks to the mop. Look, I wipe the flooring structure like this and pick up the dirt, if possible. It should be done moving backwards so you can mop up the dirt cleanly. You can see here that we have picked up a good amount of dirt. As a rule, that's all it takes in a residential home. Of course, you can also wet clean. This is usually only done if you have a stain. If you need to clean off really stubborn dirt, of course, you can wet clean. Use a multi-purpose cleaner as the surface can be cleaned very well with plain water. Water on its own doesn't penetrate very deep into the surface because its surface tension is too high. On this subject, please watch the VT we are about to show you here. To achieve the best possible cleaning result, you need to use a multi-purpose cleaner to break the surface tension of the water. I'd like to briefly demonstrate to you that it's not possible to clean with plain water because plain water has a very high surface tension and therefore doesn't penetrate deep into the structure of the flooring. I have here a razor blade. Because of surface tension, the razor blade floats on the surface of the water. So you can imagine that the water doesn't penetrate deep into the structure of the flooring. If I now add a little bit of the multi-purpose cleaner, you'll see that this will break the surface tension and the razor blade will sink. Once the surface tension is broken, the water can penetrate into the structure and loosen the dirt. That's more or less it. Of course, you can also clean with a vacuum cleaner that's suitable for hard and elastic surfaces. Otherwise, whipping with a damp mop is completely sufficient for daily cleaning. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our hotline. You'll also find more information on our website at www.vineo.de. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I've been Bernhard Greving.